two players, but everybody has chipped in. But then you take away those two players right from the top, so it gives you a hope for the opposition. Obviously, there will be Masakadza coming in. Paul Sterling has looked very good. You just have to wait and see how the chase.
Everybody else is going to be of essence. Very important 4 overs he will bowl if he can get a few breakthroughs at the top. That Sylhet Royals overhaul this total. But here's the first delivery. Beats him. Perfectly pitched, and it's around the 140. And
It looked like Lelusner to me. Good shape, good carry to the keeper. Look at that height. He can certainly turn things on, especially Sean.
I think this is the other wicket. He is under it, and he's got Sterling with a short one.
Sean Tate draws first blood. We mentioned about the power play. He picked up a wicket with a short delivery, and he's done it again with the short one. That is very well directed, and with some good packet to start with. Terrific.
Works up a serious pace. He's got hold of that, but he's only found the fielder.
Well, he knew that he's going to bowl a few short pitch delivery, but he's just found that man. Unlucky. And it is a well-judged catch. He was 7 yards inside that boundary rope. Gone for.
That's a good shot away from the body though. In the air, but it was well directed. Right.
Nicely played in the air, you mentioned that. You still need to get the bat behind that one. Got enough, got a boundary.
The ball got 50. Very quick time, have they got a third? Yes, he's gone. Just getting the outside edge.
Yeah, a little bit too wide, no feet movement. Look at where he is stuck in the crease. Feet stuck in the crease, throws the bat around, gets an outside edge, straight to the keeper. And the very first delivery from Ruben Hussain, Momila Haq gone for one.
Just a little bit of a wobble allows another. Tate again. Bowled him! They're staying with Tate, their wicket taker. Great decision, that one.
Nazmul Hussain Milan, he's actually moved away. He's facing the first delivery and he's moved away, exposing all his stumps. Now, what was he thinking about? Trying to hit 6 of the first delivery of Sean Tate? Not happening, mate. You need to go back to the pavilion. That's hit the middle and he's gone for 3. Sylhet.
That's a good shot. Used the pace, got some good timing on that, Nabi.
Nabi, it was short. He jumped in the air when he played that shot. And then making sure that he plays.
Another boundary. This time he pitched it up and he just bounced on it.
That's too obvious, but he's got that edge. Oh my goodness, that was a nothing shot. Just hung his bat out at that one.
Outside off stump where the batsman has no idea whether to leave it or to play it. He can't be leaving that in this form of the game. The pressure builds. Blows have been dealt. Jashimuddin for 2.
Oh, he's bowled him. Got the bat initially, I thought, and then the pad, and it went on to strike timber. Wow, they're falling apart completely. The Sylhet Royals, extraordinary.
But because this is huge blows from the Chittagong Kings. Bowled on a length, backing away. That's not a good sign. Ruben Hussain bowling around 134 k's an hour. Not as express as Sean Tate. It's troubling the Sylhet Royals.
Only one hat-trick so far. 2020s. Here's Rubel. Oh, he's just about negotiated that inside part of the bat. He's got himself 4 runs. Metallic blue.
Lots of blue around, Shamim.
Very, very good to go and see them undisturbed. Whoa, that was an edge. And that was parried away by the keeper.
Taylor had to react fast. Had a long way to go. The edge of the gloves. Good effort in the end. Three for 14 so far. They're doing everything right. And push.
That's good to see Inam Ul Haq trying to give the ball a little bit of flight, trying to get some purchase out of this wicket. Swept that nicely, swept that straight to the fielder. Well, I thought he had it on the ground, but it went straight to the fielder. Wow.
Taylor didn't have to move. He took it nicely. Flat hit. The captain departs. They can't do anything right today. It's been a struggle. He's gone for 13 at the end of, or it's 50 for 7. And
there during the innings break. But all that's settled. Now we play down the ground exactly between long on and long off.
That is a very good shot. You don't find Kevin Cooper bowling at that length. And once he's given that, he's moved his left leg away, made some room and crashed it down the ground. It's a very good hit from Shohag Ghazi. They need at least 3 or 4 in an over. They need almost 5th over from here on. That's slower and it's put away. He's picking up the spots. This is good going from Shohag Ghazi. Good stuff from Shohag.
Once again, it was too slow, but he read the pace very early and he decided that he will go for it. Now these are some crucial runs for Sylhet Royals. They just like to maintain their position on the top.
Sylhet Royals. That's up in the air and it's got him. Arafat Sunny strikes. It will entice the batsman to hit in the air, and that's exactly what has happened.
The ball string by Ghazim is now finished. Nabi, a great innings nonetheless, but all the thin air. Once again, margin of their defeat. Once again, swept, and this time into the vacant area. He was diving for it. Couldn't stop that one. Ooh, and he's gone. Finally, that one kept low. Inamul, the magical arm. Once again, bringing the wickets.
Wicket number 14 for Inam Ul Haq Jr. Lovely piece of delivery. That one went straight. Look at the seam position. Very well bowled indeed. Didn't turn. He kept on going. Just a bit, perhaps just a little bit. Oh, very nicely. Bowman Ben stumped for 4. Sylhet. That's tossed up. Gone. Wicket number 15. That's a beautiful piece of delivery. It's all over. 67 was the one we saw it yesterday. Beautiful piece of delivery of stumping. Easy one from Brendan Taylor.
There could not have been a better way to finish the proceedings. The most successful bowler of the tournament, and the finishing touches were provided by Brendan Taylor, the proud captain himself. Since he joined the team, they've got a new breath. They were looking for some silver lining during the middle of the road, but now, guess what? Yes, contributed significantly towards this victory, and Sylhet Royals were in total, and Ghazi were the one who can get into the double figures apart from Nabi.
Yeah, 4 dismissal for Brendan Taylor. Very important as a captain. He made runs, and also behind the stump was very good indeed. There's nothing much to speak about.
Naeem and Taylor tender Scotty also this evening as well. He started from where he left. Nabi and Nazmul were among the wickets, but that was not good enough for them. Sylhet Royals were in total disarray as far as their reply is concerned. Nabi and Surawadi showed a little bit of resistance, but that was the largest margin of victory of 119 runs. One thing ironic